Okay, I just wanted to say that this is probably been 15 years since either me or Dad had cut wood, and it's not exactly like riding a bicycle. We've forgotten a few things, so don't laugh too hard. Roll this one over. I was going to get this one here.
Roger that. Get on the back side.
Roll it right over on top of these, maybe. And
Oh, sorry about that.
oh, I'm bewildered.
I'm amazed. Hello.
There went my foot.
Yep. As long as it's got your back.
Well, that's actually pretty good. We can cut it from right there, I think.
Yeah, it's a good position.
Roller out of there for now.
Why don't you just chunk it right there?
Yeah, I was thinking it's in a nice spot. So.
Got my earplugs in. I can't hear what the hell you're saying.
Uh-huh.
Leaving the bar over here.
Yeah. This is much easier with the bars.
Oh.
Leverage.
Leverage. I like leverage. Leverage. It's what... Got a file.
Yeah.
Haven't used the dossier.
Uh-huh. Alright. I'm going to say I definitely see that going that way your blade does last a lot longer because you have a thicker...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you want to keep those uppers open because those are what are cutting your nice feathers.
Uh-huh. Like I say, we're just about as good as novices, you guys.
Almost up to moron level.
Yeah. Slowly coming back. We burned the saw up last weekend just by running it too hard.
Discovered that pistons melt.
Yeah, it's expensive. If you take it to a shop. Next time I won't. I've seen how easy it is to rebuild.
Yeah.
Main thing is keep your blade sharp and let the saw...
Use more of a downward angle. There you go.
Yeah.
Exactly there.
Say it's probably been 15 years since either one of us has done much of this. And longer than that since we've really gone out and cut firewood. then it'd be pretty nice.
Yeah.
But sometimes, you know, you won't have a whole lot of pitch built up, or not enough to see on that particular tube.
But you can mark the top of the tube. So they don't know the proper names for the parts of the chain.
Well, see, this particular file has a guide on it. Of course, if you get used to sharpening your chains, you know that angle by heart. I'm sure a lot of you guys know that out there.
Yeah. So please don't be laughing too hard.
Yeah. I run at 3 strokes on each tooth, and yeah, keep going around.
Okay. Yeah, that's your next one.
Actually, did I pull the chain?
Yeah, you had.
Okay.
Yeah.
You kind of follow the rake. Actually, stuff like this might even be dangerous than being a novice, because you think you remember, and you can really screw things up.
And the one you're holding is your next one.
Yeah.
See how you still have debris in the gullet?
Yeah.
Did we have the brake now?
No. Probably just some crap in it.
No. I don't believe we've lubricated that roller yet.
No, we haven't. That needs to be done.
I'll go get that.
Okay. That's where I started. Move to the other side. Alright. And my buddy was supposed to be up here today with his 24-inch still, but he's a rougher and he had to finish a job, so we won't see him until tomorrow. We're also bringing a splitter. At some point I'll show you the vast amount of wood that we've cut, but I'll get back with you guys in just a bit.